In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document into a web page. This is a handy skill if you're looking to share your documents online or transform a text document into something more interactive on the web. We'll be walking through the entire process step by step using Microsoft Word, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the document you want to convert within Word. Once you're inside the document, you're going to look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This is where you find most of your document management options. Now, among the listed options, you'll see either Save As or Save a Copy. The name might differ slightly depending on the version of Word you're using. Both will take you down the path we need today. This next part is crucial. In the Save As Type or File Format drop-down menu, you'll find a list of different file type options. Since we're looking to convert this document into a web page, you should select one of the web page options listed. Now, you have a few choices here. If you select Web Page, HTML, Word will create a standard HTML file, suitable for most purposes. But if you prefer a cleaner HTML file that doesn't include some of Word's additional markup, opt for Web Page Filtered, HTML. This option strips away some of the extra Word-specific coding, giving you a leaner web-friendly version. Lastly, if you want everything packaged neatly into a single file, you can choose Single File Web Page, MHTML. This option is less common but can be useful in certain scenarios. Consider what suits your needs best before making your decision. Now, with the file format sorted, name your file something relevant yet memorable to ensure easy retrieval later. This helps not only in maintaining your files organized, but also avoids the confusion of multiple similarly named files. It's also wise to select a folder or location where you'd like to save this new file. Whether it's on your desktop for easy access or tucked away in a dedicated project folder, make sure it's a location you'll remember. Finally, once you've chosen the right location and named your file, go ahead and click Save. When you do this, Word will work its magic, exporting your document into an HTML format. Depending on the option you chose earlier, you might find a newly created .htm or .html file, or even a .ht file. Additionally, Word might generate a folder filled with supporting files like images and CSS, especially if you opted for the standard HTML format. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Word document into an easily shareable web page. Whether you're embarking on a web design project or need a quick way to share content online, this simple process ensures your documents are ready for the web. I hope you found this guide helpful, and until next time, happy converting!